Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of the merciful Allah, we start today with a tweet for one of our followers. He asked about how to host a site designed only by static pages. My wild guess, maybe he is a graphic designer, would like to test his graphics online. But to be honest, this is an obsolete way to design your website. You should consider moving your design to a dynamic pages. To do that, we will conduct a simple search. First, we will Google keywords, free web hosting. From the search results, we should choose a hosting plan that fulfill these considerations. A good hosting plan should be free advertisement from the hosting provider. Can upload any file size as long it doesn't greater than the total capacity in this hosting plan, and because of that it should give you a good storage capacity. Also, it should provide you unlimited bandwidth, and the controlling panel should be easy to use and support many languages. A good hosting plan too should working fine with a free applications like a free FTP client, and if my site is not active for a while, a provider shouldn't delete it before a quiet amount of time and notify me before deleting it. And finally, if you decide to move from a free hosting to a charged hosting, which is providing more options and a better controlling panel. A good hosting plan should be able to upgrade a premium account. Okay, let's try now one of the searching results. The site 3web.me. And the first page here we can see what the site offer you for your hosting plan. For this case scenario, working on a static website, 300 megabytes should be fine, 10 gigabytes bandwidth, a Vista panel should be easy to use and support multi-language, and we got an FTP account. Okay, let's go sign up for a free account. Okay, let's try to fill this form to sign up for a free account. Okay, when you finish, click register. When you're done with the registration form, you will receive an email for activating your account, and it will contain unnecessary information to access your account. After activating your account, we can do the login. When you read carefully the mail you received for the account activation, you will find this information mailed to you, how to access this controlling panel. Type your number here, then type your password. Then you can access your Vista panel, and it will show you a detailed information about each part of it. When you're scrolling down to help and tutorials, you found a link called account settings. Click it. This page will provide you a detailed information about your account. What we consider here is your FTP settings. You got your username, cPanel password or VistaPanel password, which you provided in the form when you try to sign up in the first. And here is the URL of your FTP site. We should use this information to the next step. When you use a free account, you use a controlling panel like this one, Vista panel. When you move to a premium account, you will use more advanced controlling panel we call cPanel. It will be look like this. Okay, now let's try find a free FTP client to uploading the website files. Let's try the FileZilla client. When you're done downloading the FileZilla, install it, and you will find this is the main interface for this application. Let's configure our FTP site. Click on the Open the Site Manager. Click New Site. Okay, let's go back to the control panel and to the FTP settings, host name, file transfer protocol, plan FTP, login type, normal, back to the control panel, FTP username, and the password you used in the first registration form. Okay, you can rename new site to the name of your choice. Click OK. Then from the site manager you can automatically connect to your FTP site. After we connected successfully, you can see the root of your website. The htdocs folder is the default folder for the Apache web server, and the first page run by default it's called index, the index page. So you upload your site files inside the htdoc folder. Okay, now let's browse to your websites. And then we browse to your website files, open it, and make sure the home page called index. Let's select all the files, press Ctrl and A. Right click your files and start uploading. And now you can see the progress for uploading your site files. When you're done, test your domain name and check out your website, and now you can see your website online.